Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're scratching your head over the E03 error on your Hoover washing machine from 2025, don't worry, we've got you covered. This error code is one of the most common issues, and it's often related to problems with the drainage system, like a clogged filter or a blocked hose. In today's video, I'll walk you through what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step, so you can get your laundry routine back on track without calling a repair service right away. First off, let's break down what the E03 error signifies. In Hoover machines, E03 typically points to a drainage or pump issue. This could be caused by a buildup of lint, debris, or even a kinked drain hose. It's your machine's way of saying, hey, I can't drain the water properly. Before we dive into fixes, always remember safety first. Unplug the washing machine and turn off the water supply to avoid any accidents. Now, let's get to the troubleshooting. Step 1. Locate and clean the drain filter. It's usually at the bottom front of the machine. Remove it, clear out any gunk, and rinse it under water. This solves the problem about 70% of the time. If that doesn't work, check the drain hose for kinks or blockages. Make sure it's not bent and is securely connected. You might need to disconnect it and flush it out with water. If you're still seeing the error, try resetting the machine. Turn it off, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. Sometimes, a simple reset does the trick. However, if none of these steps help, it could indicate a more serious issue like a faulty pump, and in that case, it's best to contact a professional technician. There you have it. Easy fixes for the Hoover E03 error. I hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more home appliance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.